Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to balance Zn plus and HNO3 equals Zn NO3 2 plus NO2 plus H2O. Correct answer is they balance the chemical equation Zn plus HNO3 equals Zn NO3 2 plus NO2 plus H2O. Follow these steps. Number 1. Start by balancing the atoms present on each side of the equation. Zn plus 6 HNO3 equals Zn NO3 2 plus 2 NO2 plus 3 H2O. Number 2. Balance the nitrate ions by adding the appropriate coefficients in front of the reactants and products. Zn plus 6HNO3 equals Zn NO3 2 plus 2NO2 plus 3H2O. Number 3. Ensure the total charge is balanced by verifying the number of each type of atom on both sides of the equation. Number 1. Zinc. Number 1 zinc, 6 nitrogen, 18 hydrogen, 6 oxygen on both sides. By following these steps, the chemical equation Zn plus HNO3 equals Zn NO3 2 plus NO2 plus H2O is successfully balanced.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.